Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So Bitcoin today is going a little bit lower, but the trend is still up. Just wanted to focus a little bit on the big picture. So we did a bigger wave 1A, overshooting wave B. Now wave C, is it done? Is it not done? I don't know. Until we don't make higher high. No, I'm joking. Let's say, if we go higher than 50K, then, okay, fine. But for a moment, it can also not be finished, this correction. So we need to be aware of it, and then we can exploit this opportunity no matter what's the direction. For sure, the short-term direction is up. So, I'm not going to not invest in Bitcoin because, I am bearish and Bitcoin is going to go to 14. Well, that's a way to do it, but then if we are here, you didn't buy any, and then it goes higher, well, you're missing out this trend, right? So why miss the trend? Because from a little bit below 16,000, well, now we are 30, so it's almost 30, well, 100% up. So that's great. Anyway, so this could be just a correction, and we can go a little bit lower for the fifth wave. That's a reality, and that's a possibility. Now start to be less and less likely the more price goes higher, but it's still there. So I like to always prepare for the worst, so that if it doesn't happen, then well, that's great. But for a moment, we can also say that maybe the wave 2 finished here, and this was the wave 1. We did the A, B, C, perfect. This was maybe the third wave and the fourth, and we're doing the fifth. Or I know that there are people that say this was 1 A, B, C, and this is just a bigger 1 and a 2, and this is the beginning of the third wave. No matter how you see it, time will tell with the Fibonacci extension, and we are going to see if price react to those level, then we're going to validate more of that count. But this is more to let you know, like the other possibilities, like wave 3 was here, this is wave 4, so this was a W, X, and the Y, and we're still working on the Y. The Y, it's actually an ABC, and as you can see now, this kind of does work. So yeah, let me redo it. So this is the started there. So this is the A, we did the B here, and now we're doing the C. This yellow box as well, it's the ideal retracement for the wave C. All right, so, and after that, from this level, we could initiate a 5-way down and complete this fifth wave. And for a moment, starting from this level, I can say that this is a B, and C, as you can see. So if we are making a very nice distinctive wave 4 and a 5, then that's something else. But for a moment, this is how I see it. So this is I just wanna keep that in mind. Also, if I do the Fibonacci retracement of this first big wave, as you can see now, we gained back the 0.618 level, which was 27,325. Now maybe we're reaching, if we go to 34,550, I think many people, they keep saying 34,000, 34 and a half. Well, that's because it's a 50% Fibonacci retracement. So that's also a very critical point. And so that's just wanted to maybe let you know what's the situation, what are the key points now, what are the options. So now the more we go and reach higher levels near the 34K, we're going to see maybe some price reaction. and that's the reason. It's because we can start to invalidate maybe the bear count. And yeah, so if we go, let's say, no, I know, I see, well, I hear many analysts or people or journalists or, yeah, they say 45,000, maybe 50K. That would kind of invalidate really the bear market that is still ongoing. And then, that's good. But we need to also be aware that, if we manage to do 5 wave up and we actually go to, let's say, $45,000, well, you better to pay attention here, because it's going to more likely be the alt season somewhere here starting, and after that you better to sell your your altcoins, because Bitcoin is going to make his correction, right, of this impulsive movement. So altcoin are going to bleed. Also, you don't want to make some linear projection. Let's say I'm taking a coin just like that. Let's say Solana or ICP or Optimism, whoever. Let's name it X. And then you're going to say, oh, okay, so X coin, when Bitcoin was at 50,000, it was worth $1. So I'm going to hold on it, and when Bitcoin is going to go back to $50,000, my X coin is going to be $1. Well, it doesn't work at all like that. As you can see, in the last few days, Bitcoin, it went higher, Ethereum, it made a new higher high, and altcoin didn't do a higher high. So some yes, some no, but I didn't check all of them, but I'm pretty much sure it's not the majority that managed to do that, because everybody has his own cycle. And then you need to be aware that when Bitcoin is finished and it starts his big correction, it's going to drag everybody down, even though the coin, well, maybe there is one or two that are very bullish, and then they will still manage to go a little bit higher and fight the downtrend. There are always exceptions, but the majority, they will bleed out. So you want to do your own research. You want to put some pivotal points. You put your self-stop limit as long as you're making higher high. And even if you are only investing in altcoins, you should always be aware of Bitcoin, what it's doing. All right, so this is not a financial advice, but this is what I am doing to preserve my altcoins. And for sure, if you are long term, then you can say, okay, fine, this is long term, I hold on it. Personally, even if I do that, a percentage I still sell, and yeah, I wanna get advantage of the discount that Bitcoin creates. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And then, yeah, don't be shy with the thumbs up. All right, have a good day.